Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So today I'm going to be doing a kind of like my new favorite everyday makeup routine. If you want to see how I create this look, then keep on watching. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to brush up the brow hairs with my Morphe M153 brush, and I'm just going to then take my ColourPop brow pencil in blonde, and I'm going to fill in the brow. With the Jafra Brow Duo, I'm going to take the lighter shade, and with the Morphe M153 brush, I'm going to kind of set the brow pencil a little bit with the brow powder. So for eyeshadow, I'm going to use the ColourPop That's Taupe eyeshadow palette. I go through maybe like 4 or 5 different eyeshadow palettes. Today I'm just using the ColourPop That's Taupe, and I'm going to take the color Fun, and I'm going to use that in the crease with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam brush. Then one of my favorite shades in the That's Taupe eyeshadow palette, I'm going to use Snake Eyes. I'm just going to use that with my finger, and I'm going to place this shade on the lid. Then I'm going to curl my lashes using the Tweezerman Rose Gold Lash Curler. Then I'm going to prime my lashes with the L'Oreal Lash Paradise Lash Primer. While the primer is drying, I'm going to take my Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue tinted moisturizer, and this is in the color Opal, and I'm going to use the Anissa Beauty Pinnacle foundation brush to apply it. Then I'm going to go back to the lashes. I'm going to use the Jafra Define High Definition Mascara in Blackest Black. I'm going to apply this to the top lashes. Then I'm going to use the ColourPop concealer. I forget the name of it, but I'm going to apply this to the under eye area and any blemishes. To blend in the concealer, I'm going to first use my beauty blender. To set the concealer, I'm going to use the Bare Minerals Original Foundation in, I forget the name, but I'm going to put it down below. I'm just going to use my triangle puff, and I'm going to set the under eyes and the T-zone. And then with a bigger brush, I'm going to set the outsides of the face. For blush, I'm going to use one of my favorite blushes. This is the Jafra Powder Blush in Rose Oro, and I'm going to use the Anissa Beauty cheek brush. For lips, I just wanted a little bit of a tint for this makeup look, this everyday makeup look. I'm going to use the Frog Prince color changing lipstick. So I have so many everyday makeup looks that I use for every day. This is just one of them. I don't know, I think it turned out so nice. I love it. Yeah, see you guys tomorrow, or see you guys in the next video. Bye!